So with the high winds, typically a lot of pines will fall. What it is they're just not really good rooted trees anyway. They have a pancake root system, and when they're put in, a lot of these people will get a little lazy and they won't take the burlap sack off, and they leave the metal wrapped around it. So it doesn't let the root system grow properly, and then the wind just can't take it. As you can see right here, you got the metal still on it. So whoever planted it a long time ago didn't do it properly, which is actually really, really common. Between that and how it grows, the wind is just too much for it.